ideal house is situated in Yeolmbridge, which is a couple of miles north of Launceston Town. This property offers a detached accommodation that has been thoroughly refurbished. It's also been rejigged. It now offers 4 bedrooms, one on the ground floor. There's new windows, new roof, and a wonderful kitchen diner, as well as an ensuite bathroom, shower room, and also a ground floor and first floor fully fitted bathroom, all tiled, all singing and dancing, absolutely lovely. Furthermore, outside there's a lovely wraparound garden. We're just waiting for the grass to grow. Seeds are planted, so it's going to look fantastic, but this is an offer that you can't refuse. Have a look at the video, then do call the office and arrange a viewing. Look forward to seeing you.